Good morning, everyone, and welcome to March 22nd. It is my last real day of school this quarter. Tomorrow is the end of the quarter, which means tomorrow is deep clean day. Deep clean day means lots of scrubbing, and oh boy, am I looking forward to lots of scrubbing. Today, basically the only thing I'm doing for sure is student lunch. And boy, oh boy, am I looking forward to that. After student lunch, and probably a little bit before student lunch, I'll be cleaning. Because the more I clean today, probably the sooner I get out on Wednesday. Boy, oh boy, am I looking forward to cleaning. It's the last couple days are always kind of long, or at least they feel that way, just because we're about to go on break. Sounds like the issues that I was having basically last week are pretty much resolved, pretty much anyway. The one thing is, it had to do with my work, obviously, the reason I wasn't at work. But things seem to be fine, except that the location has to move. And I'm considering looking for, if not a new job, like a second job. And I've got a couple options, I think. So I'm gonna start inquiring. Anyway, I am gonna head into the kitchen, which I'm really looking forward to. Boy, oh boy. So Gabby, why is that super cool?
It's like the side of a house.
Oh yeah?
It shows how many, a tree.
The tree, a house, a tree is just a house to a squirrel.
This is 11 months old, because there are 11 layers. Or years.
I haven't updated my vlog yet today, other than this morning, so that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay, I'll be quiet.
Yeah, you don't have to be quiet, but Gabby and I are at Clark Lake Park right now, which I cannot remember if it's been on the vlog yet. Isaac and I used to come here quite often, and we might have since the vlog started, but I don't think it's been on the vlog. But it's a really cool area. I'll get some shots of it. Because Gabby does photography walks to just get some exercise, and I've been wanting to do that, but it's been so dark whenever I got home, but I have the opportunity right now, so I was like, Gabby, we should hang out. She's like, yeah, and I said, okay, let's go hang out. So we're hanging out, and Well, I hope you enjoyed today's nature hike. It was presented in such a beautiful way that... No, there's no other statement there. I just hope you liked it, and that was my day, so catch you in the next one.